Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 000 AutoCAD command arc option 3 points or start center and switch to AutoCAD. Menu draw command arc option 3 points. This command draws arc. First of all, we must draw a 3 lines. From menu draw, choose command line and then left click in the drawing area, left click in the drawing area, left click in the drawing area, left click in the drawing area. Finally, right click.